Kia ora whānau, it's that time again, a live workout session with me, Tiare Tawera. Really grateful to have you guys here today. Whānau whānau, we are indoors, so welcome to my whare. Beautiful energy in this whare, warmth energy, so hopefully you guys can feel it today. Really looking forward to this exercise. Once again, we're really working on the physical body, keeping our mindset with better clarity, keeping us focused, keeping us positive, energetic, and most importantly, just having us feeling good during this unsettling time. Today's workout, we're going to be doing another tabata workout, okay? So there are going to be 6 exercises, and our whole workout today is going to be focused on the shoulders, the chest, and the core. No wai, okay? Last workout, it was a bit of a killer. No wai whatsoever. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take you guys through the workout. I'm going to have a quick warm-up, and then I'm going to get into it. Bob's your auntie, okay? Okay, here we go. First exercise is the shoulder press. Okay, I have a bag here. So if you don't have any weights, kei te pai tērā. I've got a bag here. I've chucked in quite a few books to give it a little resistance. For wahine, I would recommend anywhere between 1 and 3 kgs is a really good weight. For tāne, we're going to go anywhere from 8 kgs to 15 kgs. Okay, so chuck some books in, weigh it on the scale, and then you can guarantee it's going to be one epic workout. Let's get into it. First exercise is shoulder presses, okay? 1, 2, 3. You're going to change on to the other side. And once again, it's a tabata workout, so it's going to be 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. Onto the other side, same thing, shoulder workout. The great thing about doing these shoulder presses individually, it's really going to isolate the muscles, so you can really target the muscles effectively, okay? Moving into the next exercise, you're going to chuck the bag on. That's probably the hardest part for me, is actually trying to get the bag on, bag off all the time. Well, no, push-ups. This is called push-up release. You're going to go down, hands in the air, you're going to push up. Tahi. Rua, this is push-up, release. Push-up, release. Ka pai, koera te neke hanga tua rua, tua toru, we're going to side laterals, okay? This is really targeting the side lateral, so you're going to be out to the side, tahi. Rua, toru. And really with this workout too, whānau, you want to make sure that your elbows are higher than your wrist. I see this a lot of time, like a lot of people doing this workout. That's really not hitting the side lateral head. So you want to make sure that the elbow is higher than your wrist, like so. Up, tahi, rua, toru. And once again, 20 seconds per side. Okay, 20 seconds on and 10 seconds rest. Next up is front raises. I'm going to hold the bag, okay? You're going to make sure that you pull to the top, hold at the top, tahi, okay? Rua, toru, front raises, tahi, rua, really squeeze in the top, toru, okay? So that's front raises. And next up, we're going to go into decline push-ups, okay? Bag on the back, wait up out there, mahi tau maha kia. Okay, decline push-ups. And once again, whānau, if you guys do struggle with press-ups, kei te pai, go to the knees. Okay, go to the knees like so, and store, you can perform the same movement, even in regards to the push-release, down, up, push-up, down, up, push-up, okay? Now decline push-ups, feet like so, and let's go, down, 1, 2, and look, I'm making sure that my chest is touching the ground, and then pushing up, touch, pause, up, decline push-ups. And to wrap things up, we're really going to focus on targeting the core, okay? So we're going to go into plank holds like so, and hold for 20 seconds. Okay, look at my posture, okay? You don't want to be doing this, you don't want to be doing that, nice and straight. And what you want to do is push all the weight into your calf muscles, okay? So that's the tip of the day, whānau. Hey, once again, we've got shoulder presses, push-up release, side laterals, front raises, decline push-ups, plank holds. Okay, we're going to get a real good upper body pump, upper body workout, and really target the core muscles as well. Okay, without further ado, I'm going to grab my wire. Okay, I'm going to hit this magical button. Get you mata ke tātou, 20 seconds. Okay. Oh, hang on, I'm going to pause that again. I'm going to quickly reset that. Why is that? Because we're going to have a quick whakamahana, okay? So here we go, whānau. We're going to, especially with the shoulders, okay? Grab some cans of baked beans, some cans of peaches. We're just going to work the rotator cuff, okay? I always warm up when it comes to shoulders, okay? We have a lot of our whānau members that really get bad shoulder pains, and it's because you're not warming it up, okay? So start like so, elbows down, and go out to the side. Go out to the side, okay? Really warm up those shoulders, and most importantly, the rotator cuffs. And finally, we're going to go up like so. Really warm it up. Back like so. Ana te tiro. Tahi. Rua. Toru. Wha. Tahi aro. Te taha. Really warm up those shoulders. Let's do some individual work. Bye. Bye. Tahi anō whānau. Hopefully you guys are having a great day today whānau. Hey, awesome to have you guys here. Once again, we're just really keeping that mindset positive and keeping our bodies active, especially being at home. Ka hua ua I etahi wā. Okay? Kai te rongo au te wera. Nā rungai tērā me tīmata ngā mahi. Okay, whānau. Here we go. Kori te wā. 30 seconds, okay? Here we go, 30 seconds. Let's feel the weight. Let's get into it. Once again, whānau, let's jog on the spot. Let's really get on with that with your weight. First up, we've got the shoulder presses. And once again, we're going for 20 seconds and then 10 seconds rest, straight into the next one. And once we finish one round, rest for 45, back into the next round, and then we're going to do it for a total of 4 rounds. Kia te mata ki tātou. Here we go, there we go. Okay, shoulder presses. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, ima, ono, whitu, kori, ima. Te go, kia kaha, tahi, rua, toru, ima. Starting on a hiss and a roll, but not ka tai ki te 4th round. Ooh, start fizzling now, but hey, whānau, feeling good, feeling good. Wait. Here we go, next one. Let's do it, let's go. Let's get it, whānau. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, dig it up. Ono, whitu, kei te rongo I te wera. Iwa, te kau, matahi, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, oh yeah. Woo. Okay, now we're going to push up and release. Get back on. Here we go, okay. Tahi, straight down, let's go, whānau, let's go. Okay, push up and release. Tahi, ana. Woo. Oh yeah. Let's go, whānau, let's pick it up. Ana, pick it up. Woo. Kei te pātua tō te manawa. Kei te rongo I te wairua. Okay, whānau, we're going to now move into side laterals. Okay, once again, we're going from the chest, we're now moving on to the side lateral head. Okay, side deltoid, let's go. Tahi. Elbows trying to keep that elbow high, okay? E tahi wā te ua, so hold the bag like so. That's a lot better. Get a better grip on that bag, okay? Right. Hapai paku whakata. Whew. Hopefully you guys are feeling good, whānau. Hopefully you're feeling the pump. First round, we still got 3 more to go. Hapai, kia kaha tātou. Pai. Aroha mai mo te grunting, whānau. This is how I train. Gotta get the weight up. Keep that focus. There we go. Oh, okay. Whew. Oh, I'm feeling the burn. Traps are starting to warm up. Now we're going to move into front raises, okay? Let's grab the middle of the bag. Let's turn to the side. Let's go. We're now going to move into decline push-ups. Once again, if you can't do decline push-ups, go to your knees, okay? Let's go. Let's get into it. Okay, make sure you touch the ground. Hey, Hei whaka te peake, mo te rauna tuatahi, plank holds. Once again, plank holds, stay strong, keep that core nice and tight, push the weight into your calf muscles. Let's go. Woo. Koenei te wā pai, ki te karakia, kia piki a ke tō ora. Meditation's great at this time, whānau. Here we go. Oh, that core's feeling it. Goodbye. There we go, whānau. Now we're going to rest for 45 seconds. Great, round one. We've still got 3 more rounds to go. There we go, 35 seconds to go. Okay, whānau, let's get it ready. Okay, once again, starting things off with shoulder raises, okay? Whew. Hey, key thing to remember, whānau, is making sure that you're staying hydrated throughout the day. It's really important, so I recommend anywhere between 3 to 4 liters of water a day, or a minimum of 8 to 10 large cups, okay? Kia kā tātou ki te whāngai te tinana, me te whai Māori, and making sure that we get quality micronutrients and macronutrients as well, okay? Round 2, let's get it. Hey, hey, ua, toru, lima, hono, whitu, ore, kia kā, iwa, matai, ka marua, matonu, mawha, marima. Ka maono. Whakatā, 5 seconds to go. Woo. Feeling it, here we go. Okay, moving into the next whānau. Let's go. Also make sure that your body is stabilized as well, okay? Let's push through, okay? Look at the legs up. You're on the taha e te rua, so feeling very whānau, okay? Goodbye. 9-8, we're going to push up and release. And like I said, I think this is probably the hardest part for me is getting that bag on. Okay, push up and release, let's go. Let's get it. Done. Done. Let's go, whānau. On, come on. It's on. Iwa. Let go. Oh. Okay, now we're going to move into side lateral raises and straight into front raises. So let's get this back up. Here we go, side lateral raises. Dai, ua, unu, wha, lima, hono, whitu, waru. Kia kā whānau, let go, kia kā. Hai tōne, ue. Kai te rongo katoa I ngā poko hiwi, I te mamai, definitely starting to feel the burn in the shoulders, whānau. But hey, let's keep it up. Let's do really well. Let's get it. 1. Remember, elbow higher than your wrist, okay? Really want to focus on actually contracting the muscle and having that mind to muscle connection, okay? So if you're training the deltoid, making sure you're squeezing that particular muscle. One more. Now we're going to front raises. Piri tia te wahanga o wai nui. Wai, te taha. Let's go. Ua, o, lima, ono, itu, ono, iwa. Keep going, whānau, keep going. Ana, hina, ana. Woo! Oh, kapai. Decline push-ups. Okay, with the decline push-ups, what we're focusing on is pushing through the upper chest, building the upper pecs. Let's go. Let's go. Touch the ground. Touch the ground. Let's go. Kia kā whānau. Ana. We're nearly halfway, whānau, and as you can see, kai te turu katoa mai te wera, te tōta, sweating, pare pai tera, he tohu pai tera. Come on, back into the planks, let's go. Woo. Great job today, whānau. Doing extremely well, and once again, it's great to have you guys here today. He rawe, te rongo I tō wairua. He rawe, Kei te kaha koutou i te whakanguru tinana. Whānau. Wow, 2 rounds done. Whai mari, because there's 2 more to go. Hey, take this time, yakwe if I got a one, breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Haki roto, haki waho. Hey, usually when people start fatiguing, they start standing like this, whānau. It's really good, you know, just to really keep upright, maintain your composure, stay relaxed, and just think in your mind. You're going to yield great results that's compounded over time. Ne? Ke kaha tātou. Let's get it. Shoulder presses, whānau, 20 seconds. Hira, tai, ua, toru, lima, itu, waru, iwa, hira, ua, Hauora, taukuri e, ka pai, 5 more seconds to go, I'm going to jump to another 20 seconds. Kārawe whānau, kārawe te wātu, let's get it. Tai, rua, toru, ia, wā, lima, ono, itu, waru, iwa, oi, kia kaha, hikira, ia, where, push up and release, pai, whakapakari au, pēki ātua nei, really breaking the back. Okay, press ups and release, let's go down whānau, let's go, tahi, whoo, hikira, up, ia, kia kaha whānau, 2 meke rā wātu, let's go, ana, Apai, 9 up on my side, lateral raises, and then we'll go straight into front raises again. Make sure you got a nice grip, whānau, elbows higher than the wrist. Let's go. Woo. Ana. Whoa. Woo. Should definitely be feeling the sweat now, whānau. Especially if you're like myself. Ka kapi katoa ngā wini. Close all the windows so you get a sauna session at the same time. Alright, now we're going to the other side, 20 more seconds for this side. Let's feel the burn, let's work the muscle, let's work it effectively, okay? Let's get it. Tai, rua, toru, kia kaha whānau, wā, let's go. Lima, ono, hitu, waru, iwa, no, aua, oh, wait. Okay, paku whakatā, front raises again, whānau, you're doing extremely well, so proud of you guys, let's go. Kia kaha tātou. Ana. Ko ngā decline press ups, te wahanga pai katoa. Let's go whānau, you can do it. Let's go. Okay. Whoop. Nai. Rua. No. Lima. On. Yaga. Oh, we. Woo. Oh, hapai. Plank holds in knee. Oh, kei whia mai tātou. Kawani here. Now, let's go. Hold it. Woo. Keep that core tight. Push. Put most of the weight back into your calf muscles. And help with the positioning of your body as well as the form. Right? Ko tahi te rauna e toi ana whānau. Hapai. Awesome mahi. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let me just check to see me mea kei te tika ahau. Yes. Kei te tika. Last and final round. Awesome mahi whānau. Proud of you guys at home. Hey, we don't need any gym, right? Team, no excuses. We can make it happen right at home. Tika out the day peke, grab a bag, chuck in some books, chuck in some can of baked beans. Don't chuck in the Weet-Bix because the Weet-Bix will get crushed. But we're not. That's some fun around. Let's go, whānau. Let's go. Oh, we. Rawe katoa tēnei momo whakangungu tinana e wama. Love this type of training. It's great for the cardiovascular system. It's great for the muscles. And most importantly, he pai mo te hauora o te tinana. Okay? Straight after this, going to push-up releases. Okay? Push through, whānau. Let's dig deep now. This is the final round. Let's dig deep, push through. Here we go. Mind over matter, whānau. Let's say heart over matter, okay? It's the heart is where all the great stuff is created, right? Alright, let's go, whānau. Push-ups. Push up and release. Let's go. Hey. Anna. Kainga. Ki kaha whānau. Hana. Hana. Oh, way. Motui. Motui. Side laterals and straight into front raises. Let's go, whānau. Ahi. Ua. Toru. Ready for whānau. Woo. Eia. Eia. Anna. Anna. Keep up. Oh, sweating so much, the sweat's going into the eyes. Mauna wake, whakapu. Hey? Get hard out though. Let's go. Hey. Ua. Toru. Lima. Ono. Into. One. Iwa. Go. Ayano. Okay, whānau. We're going to go into from side laterals. Now we're going to jump to front raises. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, whānau. Bye. Zima. Woo. Oh no, let's go. That's the final round. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Hey. Oh yeah. Hey. Oh yeah. Oh. Decline push-ups, whānau, and then planks, and that's a wrap. Okay? Great job today, whānau. Great job. Let's go. Hey. 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 Woo. Ma. He rawe tēnei mamai whānau. Last and final one. Plain holds. Kia karakia ki tātou. Great job today, whānau. Did extremely well. Okay, let's keep building on this. Let's keep progressing. Woo. Oh, where? Oh. Wow. Whānau, tēnei te mihi nui ra mātu ki a koutou. Ka pai. Ai, ko tangi te pere. I'm stand up, whānau. Try to keep that. Whānau, I just wanted to thank you guys for being here today. Thank you very much for being a part of this live session. I do it for you guys, to give back to you guys, to keep you motivated, to keep you inspired, and to keep pushing through. This journey, it's not about overnight success, it's not about instant gratification. It's about progressing, it's about getting better. So every day, every week from now on in, we're going to improve, we're going to grow, we're going to get better clarity in regards to the mindset. Oh, komutu ai ki a kia siri. That is us, that's a wrap. Love to you guys, ka pai te rā, tēnā koutou katoa.